The Biotage ME system lets you easily automate your small-scale protein purification with phytip columns for up to 12 samples in parallel. Using our patented dual-flow chromatography, the phytip columns achieve up to 95% yields and generate highly concentrated, purified proteins. The system comes with everything you need to start your purification. The color track sheet is used for setting up your deep well plate. Equilibration row is for aliquoting equilibration buffer, which removes shipping buffer and conditions phytip columns for binding. Capture row is for aliquoting your sample. Wash buffer rows are used for different wash buffers, and elute row is used for elution. Start assembling the base by placing the color track guide as a template on your table. Then place the platform base on top of the guide. Slide the 96 well deep well plate into position on top of the guide along the rails. Prepare the included fine excess buffers for your prep. For Pro A and Pro G, a neutralization buffer is needed. Add the appropriate buffers to each row. See the manual for the needed buffer volumes. Continue preparing and aliquoting buffers to the other rows. Plug in the pipette power adapter to a power source to ensure your system does not run out of power during your preps. Turn your pipette on by pressing one of the keys under the display. There are 3 controls on your pipette. The top buttons correspond to the appropriate commands on the screen, and the joystick has up, down, left, and right controls. Additionally, the joystick has an enter option by pressing down on the circle symbol. When you turn the pipette on, you will see the pure speed selection. Press down on the joystick circle to enter the pure speed program. Your ME system comes pre-programmed for Pro A and G, iMac, and ion exchange phytip columns. Use the joystick controls to select the appropriate phytip column and resin bed. Your selection would be highlighted in white. Then press down on the joystick to select the resin. Then use the joystick up and down controls to select the pre-programmed protocol for that resin. Your selection would be highlighted in white. Press down on the joystick to select the pre-programmed protocol. You will now see 4 sections which make up a method: equilibration, capture, wash, and elute. Each of those sections are already programmed to give you the best results for your selected phytip column. The included methods set the volume, flow rate, and the number of cycles for the pipette to intake and expel the sample through the column. In addition, they can be adjusted to customize your prep even more. Press the right button under the screen to select equilibration. Press Run to start your method run. The pipette will give you directions to install the proper tips. Place your pipette on top of the phytip columns and press down to make sure they are fully secured. Then push the appropriate adapters fully into first tip on each end. Use blue adapters for 1000 microliter columns and green adapters for 200 microliter columns. Then press the left button under the screen to select Continue. Then place the pipette with tips in the first row of the deep well plate. The system is now ready to start your selected method execution. Press the left button under the screen to select Continue. The pipette will now start to cycle through the pipetting protocols. Once the equilibration is complete, the system will ask you to move the tips to the capture solution row. Then move the pipette with tips to the capture row. Once capture step is complete, then you will be asked to move the tips to the wash row. Then elution row after that. When the entire method execution is complete, you will be asked to remove the tips. Remove the pipette from the deep well plate. Then remove the adapters from the tips and dispose the phytip columns.